Hey, what's up, guys? So this is Vinny with Overalls Detail, Vinny Details. You guys know I've been a big fan of coveralls when it comes to tires and dressings, but I'm also a big fan of my guys over at Wowos, and the Rag Company as well. So they sent me this tire restorer, and I've been using it a few times. I wanted to show you guys how much I like it and the attributes that come from it. How shiny it is, how many coats do you need it to get as shiny as you want, does it sling, what's the application process. All right, so let's go through here with this tire. You're gonna see the way I clean the tire, the way I apply it. I'm gonna apply 2 coats because it says to apply 2 coats if you want a little bit of extra shine. Also says to use a foam pad, but it also says that you can use any kind of tire shine applicator. So I'm using here a little cheap microfiber one that you can get on Amazon, get a whole bunch of them for a low price. All right, guys, video on the Wowos tire restorer. All right, Wow's tire restorer. How'd you guys like that? So it seems like it works very well. As you can see, I'm gonna have some after shots here, but let's come close to it. So it seems as it works very well. I'm still more of a fan of the aerosol. Doesn't sling as long as you let it sit. You know, it's been sitting for about 5 minutes now, and it's not going anywhere. No sling. Okay, so if you let it dry, it's gonna come out a beautiful matte finish. I did put 2 coats on there, so it's a little bit blacker. However, I love it. Tire Restorer by Wowos is a great option to take. I'm gonna put the price and everything in the description of this video where you can get it. Guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Tire Restorer. Let me know if you have any products you'd like me to try, if you have any techniques you'd like me to try, if you have anything you recommend as far as techniques and products. I'm open to learning every day. Hope you guys learned a little bit about this product and about tire shine and applying tire shine to any vehicle. My people, I hope you guys liked the video. Let me know how you liked it in the comments. Like I said before, let me know what you want me to try. Also, subscribe, like, share the videos. I know it's an early YouTube channel, but help me grow it. Help me be somebody that is going to help early entrepreneurs also start up their business, start up their dream, and also know what products to get, what not to get. You know, it's a rabbit hole that we can dive down in there. But please, if you like the channel, if you think somebody would like it, share it, subscribe, like it. I appreciate it.